The team at Kaspersky has discovered a new malicious SDK that has been infecting apps on both the iOS and Android application stores. The first instance was discovered in a food delivery app popular in the UAE and Indonesia called CumCum. A malicious SDK called Spark would call out to retrieve a JSON config file from GitLab in the onCreate entry point of the application source code. This JSON would contain information for the location of the C2 servers. Through static analysis of the libraries, they were able to figure out that a payload being decrypted by the malicious SDK is actually the wrapper for an interface for Google's MLKit library. The malware has the ability to process keywords to select images to upload to the C2 server, filter images using local libraries, and filter words in images by lengths. Any image that matches the criteria of the processors are sent to the C2 server. They found that the same version of this app on the Google Store was also infected in a similar way on the Apple App Store. We asked ourselves what kind of images the attackers were looking for. To find out, we requested from the C2 servers a list of keywords for OCR-based search. In each case, we received words in Chinese, Japanese, Korean, English, Czech, French, Italian, Polish, and Portuguese. The terms all indicated that the attackers were financially motivated, specifically targeting recovery phrases known as mnemonics that can be used to regain access to cryptocurrency wallets. The team found that several other apps on both the iOS and Android app stores were infected with the malicious package, including several AI apps. They estimated that these applications had a total of around 242,000 downloads across the app stores. Calls to the C2 server, as well as calls received from the server, were in Chinese. However, they were unable to attribute the campaign to any certain group. And no, we don't have any confirmation if people who use the malware-infested food delivery app actually received the food that they ordered.